Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Skills on Cloud. Let me ask you a serious question. If you work with AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, are you still preparing for the same cloud jobs that existed 3 years ago? Because here's the truth. Generative AI is quietly rewriting cloud careers. And if you don't adapt, your role might not disappear overnight, but it will slowly lose relevance. Today we're breaking down how GenAI is changing AWS, Azure, and GCP jobs. What roles are shrinking? What new roles are exploding? And most importantly, how you can stay ahead instead of getting replaced. Let's get into it. The big shift in cloud jobs. For years, cloud careers were all about infrastructure. Provisioning virtual machines, managing storage, configuring networks, writing deployment scripts. But GenAI changed the game. Cloud platforms are no longer just about infrastructure. En dan kan geen koppel vanaf registerpoortemiek voor Captain Keeping. AWS, Azure, and GCP are now competing on who provides the best AI ecosystem. Not just the best servers. This means cloud jobs are shifting from how do I build it? Filter Wemble, Angle. Hiker. Angel Tire 58. Frank Bin, Secretary. 2 fee. FF. How do I enable intelligence on top of it? And that changes everything. Section 2. How GenAI is changing AWS jobs. Let's start with AWS. AWS is going all in on Amazon Bedrock. Pre-trained foundation models. And AI-powered developer tools. So what's changing? Traditional roles like basic cloud administrators and manual infrastructure operators are seeing less demand. Why? Because infrastructure is becoming fully automated. But at the same time, new roles are booming. AWS professionals are now expected to understand how to integrate GenAI models, how to design AI-ready architectures, and how to manage AI workloads securely. If you know AWS and GenAI concepts, you instantly become more valuable. Not optional. Mandatory. Section 3. How GenAI is transforming Azure jobs. Now, let's talk about Azure. Microsoft is playing a different game. Azure is deeply connected with OpenAI, Copilot, and enterprise productivity tools. This means Azure jobs are shifting toward AI-enabled business solutions. Azure engineers are no longer just deploying apps. They are expected to understand how AI fits into real business workflows. From customer support to data analysis, to automation, program managers, architects, and developers who understand Copilot, Azure OpenAI, and Power Platform are seeing massive demand. Azure is no longer just cloud. It's AI at work. Section 4. What's happening in GCP jobs? Now, let's look at Google Cloud. Google has always been strong in data and machine learning. With GenAI, GCP is doubling down on Vertex AI, data engineering, and AI-driven analytics. GCP jobs are evolving toward AI engineers, ML platform specialists, and data-centric architects. If your strength is analytics, data pipelines, or AI experimentation, GCP is becoming a goldmine. But pure infrastructure-only roles? They are slowly fading. Section 5. Cloud roles that are declining. Let's be honest. Some roles are shrinking. Manual deployment specialists, script-only DevOps roles, infrastructure-only cloud admins. These roles won't vanish overnight, but they are being compressed. Fewer people, more automation, higher expectations. If your role doesn't touch AI at all, that's a red flag. Section 6. Cloud roles that are booming. Now the exciting part. Here are the roles GenAI is accelerating. Cloud architects with AI knowledge, AI-aware DevOps and MLOps engineers, technical program managers who understand AI delivery, solution architects who connect GenAI to business value. And here's the key insight. You don't need to become a hardcore data scientist. You need to become AI literate. Someone who understands what GenAI can do, where it fits, and how to deliver it responsibly. That's where the future is. Section 7. What you should do next. So, what should you do? First, stop thinking of AI as optional. Second, learn how GenAI integrates with your cloud platform. AWS, Azure, or GCP. Third, focus on use cases, not just tools. And finally, reposition yourself. Not as a cloud professional, but as a cloud plus AI professional. That's the career upgrade that matters. GenAI is not killing cloud jobs. It's evolving them. And those who adapt early will get better roles, better pay, and better long-term stability. If this video helped you understand where cloud careers are heading, hit like, subscribe to Skills on Cloud, and share this with someone who still thinks cloud is just about servers. More future-ready content coming your way. See you in the next video.